The TikToks for this store right here have received over 35 million views on TikTok, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I was able to do that and how you can replicate my results. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Brandon and I've been in the e-com dropshipping game for the past 3 years, and lately have been running my TikTok stores solely through organic TikTok posting 1 to 3 times a day, and I've been seeing great success with that. My store just recently passed over $25,000 in sales in the month of August with about 50% profit margins, and I could not be happier with the results. It's just life-changing. But it all didn't start like this. Month number 1 with this store did not give me $15,000 in profit. It takes time, and I'm going to explain in just a few steps what you can do to implement these keys to success with the TikTok algorithm with your store. And as always, I give away a free one-on-one consultation call after every one of my videos. If you want the chance to be a part of one of those, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below to be entered into the giveaway, and I'll pick a winner within the next 72 hours. So TikTok, can you really, as a dropshipper, be successful? Can you really, with any product, blow up? Yes. The answer is yes. People will say no to that question, but I'm always going to say yes. All it takes is the right mind and the right strategy. You need to think in terms of the algorithm, and you need to think in terms of the consumer. And yeah, I'm not talking the consumer like the average person. I'm talking the consumer that's constantly scrolling through videos every 2 seconds on their For You page. You need to capture their attention so fast, and it's a whole different ballgame on TikTok. Tip number 1. When making a TikTok account for your store, it's tempting to make a business account on TikTok, because with business accounts, they give you a link in bio. Starting from 0 followers, you can have a link to your store in your bio, which is amazing, and it's necessary in order to get sales on TikTok. But don't make a business account, make a personal account, because business accounts restrict you severely with your reach. You'll get almost no views basically forever, and you won't be able to use any of the trending sounds due to copyright reasons. The reason why they limit you on so many things is because they want businesses to be paying for ads. They don't want businesses to blow up and see major success on TikTok just by posting organically. That would ruin TikTok's entire business model. So keep that in mind. This is important information for later in the video. If TikTok thinks you're a business, it's going to suppress you because they want you to pay for ads. They want money from you. They don't want you to have success for free. So make a personal account on TikTok. Do not make a business. With personal accounts, TikTok really doesn't suppress how many views you get at all. They don't suppress how many songs you can use, and it's all around so much better. But with personal accounts, you do need 1,000 followers in order to get a link in your bio currently. So it will take a little bit of a grind in order to get that, in order to get sales and people onto your website. For me, typically takes about 2 to 3 weeks to get your link in your bio. So expect to be posting 1 to 3 times per day for 2 to 3 weeks in order to get 1,000 followers and really start your dropshipping journey on TikTok. Tip number 2, and this is so incredibly important: do not anywhere in your video make it look or feel like an ad. I'll repeat that. Do not in your video, anywhere in your video, at any moment, in the comments, in this caption, in the beginning, in the end, or in the text to speech, don't ever write link in bio. Don't ever say on sale now. Don't ever say like 50% off. Don't ever say free shipping. Don't ever say any of the keywords that will make the algorithm flag you as a business or as an ad. TikTok, again, does not want to promote ads for free on their platform. If it thinks that you're a business trying to promote a product for free, it will suppress you. You need to make sure that the algorithm solely thinks that your content is just entertainment, that all it is you doing a TikTok video for your followers and friends and people around the world for entertainment purposes. If at all it detects keywords such as link in bio, you can guarantee that that video will very likely, like 99.9% of the time, not get any views at all. From all 35 plus million views that this store received on TikTok, all of the videos that went viral did not look like an ad at all. They were all very lifestyle-y. They were all totally for entertainment. Number 3, it takes time. Like I mentioned before, it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to get 1,000 followers. Well, guess what? In order to get your first viral video, it may take 1 to 2 months of posting. For me, I was posting 1 to 3 times per day for 3 weeks before I got my first video to go viral, and that one hit 14.4 million views. That was my first ever viral video, and I was able to repost that video another 2-3 times to rack up another few million views. All you need to worry about is learning from your mistakes. Look at what works, look at what doesn't work, look at what performed well, look at what didn't perform well. TikTok shows you the analytics on every single video. You can turn that on. It's just a feature that in settings you can turn on, and TikTok will show you the average watch time. They'll show you your demographics, where your viewers are from, what age range, all of this very important information of what made your viewers watch what they watched. Take note of that and replicate what worked in future videos. Constantly focus on just narrowing your funnel in terms of content creation, and you'll find that leads to the most success. Consistency is key. Post 2 to 3 times per day for the first 2 months, and if you still aren't seeing any results, then slide into my DMs and hit me up with your TikTok store, because I guarantee you, either one, I'm going to tell you just the product because it probably sucks and it's going to be too hard to get to go viral, or two, you're probably making a very simple mistake and I can help you tweak that. Which, by the way, my DMs are open all the time on Instagram. If you have any questions, just shoot me a DM there. And I have a group mentorship on my Discord e-commerce family, link at the top of the description below. Number 4, if it's not broken, don't fix it. Many times on TikTok, you'll find a video that goes mega viral. While you're continuing to narrow your funnel in terms of content creation, you're going to figure out that one sound or one song they used with your TikTok worked really well. People actually watched your full video when you used that one song or that one sound. If it's not broken, don't fix it. If that video went viral, use that sound again. Use it again. Use it again. Use it again. I know you're going to think, oh my gosh, like why I'm going to kill my followers by doing that. No, like 99% of your reach on TikTok is not to your followers. It's to new audiences. That's the magic of TikTok's algorithm is, yes, they show your content to followers, but mostly show your content to new audiences on their For You page. The goal with TikTok's algorithm is constantly trying to find you new people and new content to show, not necessarily just show your content only to followers. Don't be afraid to use the same hooks, the same sound, the same phrases, the same shot, the same setting, the same background, all of that stuff, the same style. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Why change your formatting if it's not broken and it's working? Just keep doing it till it doesn't work anymore. And then take a break, post some other formats, try to go back to it after about 20 days. If it works again, boom, pump it out. If it doesn't work, then keep moving on until you find your next trending sound or trend that works for your brand. Number 5, and this is so important, remember this, TikTok's algorithm does not find an audience for your video. It finds a video for its audiences. I'm going to repeat that. TikTok's algorithm does not find an audience for your video. It finds videos for its audiences. TikTok needs to find good content that will keep their audience engaged and on the platform, on TikTok. If you're in the fitness niche and it sees that your video is a fitness product and it's performing really well, a lot of people are watching it all the way through, well, guess what? TikTok's going to take your video and it's going to show it to the masses of fitness fanatics on TikTok. Millions of people that follow fitness niches on TikTok are going to see that video because no, TikTok didn't find that audience for you. It found your video and showed it to the already existing audience. When you're creating your videos, think of it like that. You need to create a video that serves that already made audience. Don't think that TikTok is going to do all the work for you. Give your TikTok video the perfect audience. That it doesn't work like that. I'm sorry. All right. For those of you still around, I am so thankful for you. Thank you so much for being a part of the community. And just for being here, I'm going to give you a 6th tip. This one is huge. A lot of you have been DMing me on Instagram and basically saying like, I don't know how to make content. I'm not a content creator. I have no clue what I'm doing. And guess what? I'm in your same shoes. I'm not a content creator, although I'm on YouTube right now and TikTok. I'm doing my best, but I would not consider myself a content creator. Once you have your product and you have your niche, what you can do is find influencers in that niche, and no, don't hire them as a one-time thing, but pitch them your business. Show them your website, show them your product, tell them what you do, your goals as a business, everything about you, and then say, hey, I would love to hire you as my brand's content creator, if you can make one TikTok for us every single day, we'll give you 20% of all revenue we generate. You can say 20% of the revenue that you generate yourself, and we'll give you like a special link that's trackable. That's a free app on Shopify you can download, give them a free trackable link that tracks their sales. Or you can just say, all revenue that we generate on this store, I'll give you 20% of that revenue. That's probably more enticing. By the time you contact about 20, 50 even influencers, I promise you, you'll find 1 to 5 that will be totally down to give it a shot. And they'll be making the content for you. These are people that have already gone viral, hopefully on TikTok before, people that are already in your niche, and you can utilize them. You don't even have to make the content yourself. Just hire it out and give them a 20% commission off of all of the sales you make. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much again for being here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to be entered into the mentorship giveaway, and we'll be in touch. See you in the next one.